way to go. It's now Roadmaster in the early part, followed by Expedition, Leonora's Best, Bazooka, Silver Ridge, then followed by Mapagmahal, while Mobile is running on the tail of the field. Out of straight day travel, Roadmaster leads Balang and a half, followed by Leonora's Best, and running on the outside third, Bazooka, Alang and a half to Silver Ridge. 2 lengths back, Mapagmahal, and moving up Mobile. Down the half mile they travel Roadmaster with 3 lengths lead, followed now by Leonora's Best. Bazooka running in third, moving up in fourth is Silver Ridge. And inside the last 600, it's still Roadmaster, Leonora's Best. Silver Ridge also coming home now, or coming on the outside third. And inside the last 400 is still Roadmaster. From the outside leads Mahafalanka, Leonora's Best, Silver Ridge, and Mobile moving up now to take fourth, and Mapagmahal as they swing for home. It is still Roadmaster leads Balang, followed now by Silver Ridge, Leonora's Best, and Mobile, and finally Roadmaster, Silver Ridge, Leonora's Best, Mobile, Expedition, Mapagmahal, and Bazooka.
6541 Road